Hello kids, today we will learn about air around us. In this topic we will learn the air around us, second moving air, third the uses of air, fourth warm and cool air. We breathe air that is around us. Can we see air? Why do you think air is important for us? First, the air around us. Air is all around us. It is like a big blanket that surrounds us. But we cannot see it. We can only feel it. Air has no smell, shape, and color. It does not stay in one place. It moves from one place to another. Let us learn some more things about air. Air. First, air has weight. Fill two balloons with air and tie them on a hanger. Remove air from one balloon. The other balloon drop down. This shows that air has weight. Second, air fills up space. Anything that has weight fills up space. As air has weight, it fills up space too. When we blow air into a balloon, it gets bigger in size. This shows that air needs space. Second, moving air. The moving air. When we fly a kite, why does it move? Why does a pinwheel spin? This happens due to moving air. Moving air is called the wind. A gentle or slow wind is called breeze. All of us enjoy a cool breeze. When the wind is strong and blows very fast, we call it a storm. Storms can cause damage to trees and houses. There are different types of storms. Some storms bring in heavy rain, lightning, and thunder. They are called thunderstorms. Some storms carry dust with them. These storms are called dust storms. The storms that carry sand are called sandstorms. Storms that bring snowfall are called snowstorms. Third, the uses of air. You have learned about the different forms of moving air. Now let's learn how air is useful to us. First, all living things need air to breathe. We also need air for burning things. For example, when a burning candle is covered with a glass, it blows out after some time. This happens because there is no air left inside the glass to keep the candle burning. Third, air gives shape to things. Things like tires, balloons, and footballs get their shapes only after we fill them with air. 4. Air helps the clothes to dry faster. 5th, air helps boats to sail. Amazing fact, air is lighter than water. Things filled with air float on water. That is why swimming tubes help us to float on water. 4. Warm and cool air. When the air becomes warm, it becomes light in weight, so it moves up. If we burn some dry leaves, we can see small things get blown up in the air. Due to the fire, the air becomes warm and moves upward. It carries the small pieces of burnt leaves up. Warm air moves faster than cold air. Let us do one activity. You should take the help of your teacher or parents to do this. Put a balloon on the neck of a bottle. Keep the bottle in a pan of boiling water. What do we see? The balloon increases in size. What will happen if we keep the bottle in a pan of cold water, there is no change in the size of the balloon. Warm air takes more space than cold air. Thank you.